Hey guys, here's the unboxing you've all been waiting for. I'm pretty stoked about this. This is the 27-inch iMac LED with the new 16:9 format. It's running 2.66 GHz Intel Core i5 quad-core, 1TB hard drive, 4 gigs of RAM, and ATI Radeon 4850 with 512 megs of video RAM. This comes with the Magic Mouse and the new Apple wireless keyboard. So let's unbox it. Okay. Nice new Mac smell. Designed by Apple in California. Apple wireless keyboard. I'm not sure if this is different than the old one. We can compare them. So I think they're pretty much the same. Only difference is that they moved on the back. Now this is over there. Okay, so we'll open this up. Very cool. There it is. And what I'm most excited, here it is. Magic Mouse, all aluminum on the bottom. Very cool. With the plastic shell. Interesting fingertips. This is like the iPhone. Some stupid cleaning cloth. All your software. Okay, I'll get this out of the box here and then I'll replay from there. Okay, so here's the power adapter. Finally found that. It's kind of interesting they changed the plug here. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. Okay, and then we have our plastic wrap here. We have Ethernet, mini DisplayPort. I heard this in a rumor that there might be mini DisplayPort input. I'm not sure on that. Firewire 800, 4 USB ports, and audio in and out. It's too bad. I was really hoping for optical audio. I will definitely do a my setup update coming soon. I'm gonna get some new, now that Windows 7 is out, I'm gonna be getting some new PCs in my server room, so I'm not gonna show you my server room yet. Get on my 30-inch yet. Okay, so it looks like it tilts up more. And it's very cool looking. So I'll plug it in and get it set up and I'll show you guys. Before I set this up, I just wanted to show you guys, look at this. It has a USB SD card slot. I thought it was kind of interesting. And I'll get this turned on here and you'll see it. Okay guys, so it's all set up here. I'm going to go power it on and we'll see how it looks when it starts up. Magic Mouse right there and the new keyboard. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so it's asking me to flip the switch on my Magic Mouse, which I will do. Very cool. I have it hooked up to my external speakers. God, this sounds incredible. And looks amazing. It's all set up, load my data on it, I'll show you guys. Okay, so it's all set up here. It's running really fast. I decided to move the Logitech Lenovo Edge keyboard over here and use it on the iMac and the Magic Mouse. And move the Apple wireless keyboard, the freebie one that came with it, right here. And the Explorer mouse that I'm using with the Mac Pro system, and another Apple wireless keyboard, and the MX Revolution I'm currently using with the MacBook Pro over there. It's running 6. So yeah, pretty cool. So here's a little preview. It's a view of everything.